Everyone, this printer is Epson EcoTank ET-2862. This printer is currently connected to a wireless network. I want to show you how to reset the network. To reset the network, what you need to do is you need to press the power on button and information button together simultaneously for about 5 seconds. And the Wi-Fi light is off. So the Wi-Fi light is off. Then you release it. You can see the Wi-Fi light is now alternating between the Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi direct. So this is how to reset the network. If you connect this printer to the Wi-Fi network, you need to press this button for 3 seconds so that the printer will be in a wireless mode. So it's currently now in a wireless mode. Initially the Wi-Fi light was steady, but if you reset this by pressing this information button and this button together, it will disconnect the Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi light will be alternating. This is how to restore the factory default setting for this printer. Thank you very much indeed.